People often say, if you're so good at trading, why do you need to teach people how to trade? There are a number of reasons why I teach people how to trade as well. There's no shortage of money or opportunities out there. There's enough for everyone to go around. I don't lose anything by sharing my knowledge with people. I give people the opportunity to make money for themselves, to invest and to grow their own money, make their money work for them by learning some of the methods that I've picked up over the past 30 years. My name is Colin Abrams. I've taught well over 3,000 people since 2001 how to trade and invest in the market. I get a deep sense of satisfaction doing something that actually helps people. One thing for me to sit in my office and trade. It's another thing to share my knowledge and help people and help them uplift their lives from the drudgery of their everyday jobs. It's a deeper satisfaction that is actually more satisfying than making money. I'm more than happy to try and share some of my knowledge with people. If you'd like to learn, feel free to click that link, get that ebook for free. I'll also send you some free videos where you'll learn some of the things I've picked up over the past 30 years.